What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be different from the normal style videos that you guys been seeing. So I will be unboxing a drone for you guys to see what is inside. This that you're seeing, it's what comes in the box. So we're about to open it so we can see everything for ourselves. So guys, this is a DJI Mini 2 as you've seen on the cartoon. So everything comes in this bag like this, and it has another handle right here. This is the zip. Okay. Oh, this is the main zip. Okay, this is getting kind of complicated. Oh, I see. This is what is inside. So let's start with the drone itself. This is it. The side and this. Alright, so that's the first thing from the bag. And then we have this. This should be like a manual or something. Trying to open that up. Yeah, I was right. Everything, all the documents, and yeah, that's what is in this. And then this contains the accessories, and let's see what's inside. A cord. I don't know what this is for. So basically I'm about to go learn how to be a drone pilot. Let's see. This are the batteries. It comes with 3 batteries. I think there's one inside already. There should be one inside because one is missing here. Let's see what's inside again. Okay, an adapter to charge the batteries. I think this is the cord. So I think we use this with this, and that's all in here. So let's see again. Okay, oh, okay, so this should be the control. Yes, this is definitely the control, and you can see like this is very sleek. And let's see, just this. Let's open this side. Maybe I feel there should be more. There's meant to be more in. Okay, it's written accessories inside. Okay. I don't know what these are, but I think these are like The fans, I'm not sure, but I think my teacher will tell me that. So it comes with this. Oh yeah, I know this one. This are meant to be attached to this too. That I know, that is this one. Okay, this is a screwdriver. And this as well. Let's see if I saw a zip at the back. Okay, there's nothing there. So basically, this is everything that comes in this. So basically everything here are all here. Yeah, so that's it. That's it for this video. I know it's not very detailed, but this was everything that came in this box. It's a DJI Mini 2, and yeah, and that is all that is in this box. Everything in this box are all right here. So I'm going to go meet my teacher so he can teach me how to operate this. And yeah, so guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, like this video. Bye.